number 2 for departure. So last news, secure the cabin number seat.
Coming to you live.
Is this get the message across?
You gotta kneel down. That way it makes it look even deeper.
You're like, oh
Do
my
like
God.
do a Jim Cantori, find the deep hole and stand in it.
We're here at Front
You can sound
Street.
normal.
We're on the verge of breaking 2 top 5 records of all-time flooding in 1 year. So yeah, this is a little bit of an abnormal occurrence. Kind of slowed down a lot of breweries, a lot of businesses. Some of our friends down the street aren't even operating right now. We're lucky enough to still obviously be here making beer. But yeah, it's kind of literally put a damper. He's bad on the whole city. But one thing it's taught us is how awesome the whole city of Davenport is, the Quad Cities in general, and you know, we might be down, but not really out yet. We're still gonna come back from this even better. Kind of revitalize the city, almost use it as a point of, you know, yeah, the flood happened, now how do we become a better city from there? Brewing a big Imperial Stout today that will eventually be laid to rest in some your quality barrels.
What's the drive behind this specific beer?
Well, you know, we have a lot of, obviously, our summertime beers. When people think, you know, hey, it's hot outside, I want a light beer. We got tons of those. But what we wanted to do is just do a big, badass stout. Got over 1,700 pounds of malt, basically maxing out our mash tun in there. Want something big, bold, aggressive, a little bit like the Mississippi itself. So yeah, and then to have a beer that stands up in those barrels, that the complexity of it is only going to add a little something to the barrel character that we're gonna get from those River Drive barrels.
Brewed with authentic floodwaters.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you know, we don't have a whole lot of indigenous ingredients around here, but we can sure make something work. We have creative minds, so that's what matters.
So I mean, I'm just trying to call a spade. The road that we can't see because it's underwater is called River Drive. It sounds like River Drive kind of really failed you here, and you're somehow trusting us to help. Jeez. All right.
Well, we're going to try and disassociate the flooded River Drive from the awesome barrel company. So, yeah, you know what? We just thought, how fitting. You know, there's tons of Cooperage companies out there and everything. And then after CBC, getting to kind of meet you guys and look at your variety of products and everything, I was like, this is just too perfect almost, you know? The restaurant and our tap room on River Drive. You guys are named River Drive. You got brandy, rum, bourbon, everything that we were looking for. So yeah, we're pretty excited because, I mean, it couldn't have worked out better for how bad it is now.
If my Tinder app, goes off on that at all, just let me know. I'll track that real quick.
But I deleted that.
Oh yeah, dude. There's a bunch of the good ones in Davenport, man.
Just whipping up a batch of chili.
Yeah, it really is.
Season, baby.
Throw a bunch of stuff in a pot and turn it on.
Yeah. Yeah, this is just a giant crock pot.
Yeah, make sure your dishes are clean.
Put these outs in. Maybe we could have fit another 100,000.
You want to mash for 90 minutes on this one?
Probably wouldn't be a bad call.
And do I get to lick the batter on that?
Yeah,
Hey, go ahead, man.
Why are we filling sandbags?
Well, dude, I don't even want to think about sandbags anymore.
So why are you sitting at a brewery that's 80% now surrounded by water?
Well, definitely supporting local because we knew they were open, and also like with the restaurant that was terrible. So we just want to make sure that they get the business that they deserve. So.
Nice. Have you guys been able to get downtown at all where the restaurant is, or is it just completely blocked off?
I haven't, no, because like we went down when it went, like the water went down, so we back up. But people said that they just like tore everything out of the restaurant.
The contrast from the flooding is fairly interesting. You've got death and destruction, the stench of dead fish washing up on the sidewalks of the roads, underwater. And then you come around the next corner and you've got this peaceful scene of ducks and swans and geese just swimming around, nobody bothering them. I don't like how this is their neighborhood. They run this section of town. But I guess this week they do. Keep it open, close. That works. Perfect. All right. We're here in Davenport, and there's some trucks everywhere. We don't really. There's a Humvee over there and some pumps. I don't know what they're doing, but more emergency crews are flocking to the scene as we speak. Keeping the fridges full. They called them in from California.